Hello there, we've got something so exciting that we want to share with you. It's our special Let's Knit Together Christmas membership. It lasts for 4 months and it's just a one-off payment of £25.
And for that, you can have access to over 300 of our Christmas patterns,
Yep.
with more coming along over the 4 months.
We've got knitalongs, we've got this fabulous Christmas wreath, we've got a knitted nativity, knitted animal collection, baby's first Christmas collection.
That's going to be really sweet.
Yeah.
And we've got over 30 videos that you can access as well to help you along with the techniques.
Yep. Think of it as all your Christmas patterns, if you like, in one place. Accessories, gifts, clothing, fabulous for just £25.
And then we've got our private Facebook group that you can have access to as well. It's very lively, very lovely, and we're going to have a special Christmas party to which you'll be invited.
And you'll have access to all our live events and workshops.
Let's Knit Together is the ultimate hub for your Christmas knitting.